are the food chain of an ecosystem. What is food chain? It is the sequence of the chain of eating and being eaten in an ecosystem is known as the food chain. So the first trophic level was occupied by the producer of the plants because they are the ultimate source of the energy, because they produce the energy because they produce the food in the form of glucose. That is the ultimate source of the energy in all living organisms. So in ecosystem food chain, the first stage or trophic level was occupied by the producer of the plant, then the second trophic level was occupied by the consumers, and the third trophic level was generally occupied by the decomposers. In terrestrial ecosystem, the producers may be the grasses or the plants, but in aquatic ecosystem, the producers may be the phytoplanktons or the algae. In terrestrial ecosystem, the consumers may be the herbivores or the carnivorous animals, but in your aquatic ecosystem, the second trophic level was occupied by the zooplankton and the small fishes, that is generally feeds upon the algae. In nature, actually operates food web instead of the food chain. And what is food web? It is a chain of food chain that link to each other with a well networking system, which is known as the food web. In food web, we can guess the food and the feeding relationship between the different organisms, and the 10% of the energy flow from the one trophic level to the next trophic level. And this 10% flow of energy was actually proposed by the Lindemann. 10% of the solar energy will transfer from the one trophic level to the next in a food chain of an ecosystem. Suppose the plants having 10,000 joule of energy, and the deer is acted upon the plant, and the deer will receive the 1,000 joule of energy, that is the 10% of the 10,000. And when the deer was eaten by the tiger will receive 100 joule of the energy, that is the 10% of the 1000.